Ever stared at a pile of invoices, feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to get them all entered into Xero? You're not alone. Many small business owners find the process daunting. But fear not, because today we're going to break down how to enter a bill in Xero step by step. We'll cover everything from creating suppliers to tracking expenses, so you can conquer that pile of paperwork and get back to running your business. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about why entering bills accurately in Xero is so important. Firstly, it ensures you have a clear and up-to-date record of your expenses. This is crucial for making informed financial decisions, tracking your profitability, and preparing for tax season. Secondly, accurate bill entry helps you maintain a healthy cash flow. By tracking your expenses carefully, you can better predict your cash needs and avoid any nasty surprises. And finally, a well-maintained Xero account can save you time and money. By automating some of your accounting tasks, you can free up valuable time to focus on other aspects of your business. Let's get started. Create a supplier. The first step is to create a supplier record in Xero. This is where you'll store all the relevant information about the business or individual you're purchasing goods or services from. Go to the Suppliers tab in your Xero account. Click on New Supplier. Enter the supplier's name, contact details, and any other relevant information. This might include their address, phone number, email address, and tax number. Choose the appropriate tax type for the supplier. This will depend on your location and the nature of the goods or services you're purchasing. Click Save. Record the bill. Now that you've created your supplier, it's time to record the bill. Go to the Accounts Payable tab and click on Enter Bills. Select the supplier from the drop-down menu. Enter the bill date, which is usually the date the invoice was issued. Enter the due date, which is the date the payment is due. Enter the invoice number if provided. Choose the appropriate account to record the expense. This could be something like purchases, rent expense, or advertising expense. Enter the amount of the bill. Add any applicable taxes. Attach a copy of the invoice if you have one. This can be done by dragging and dropping the file into the designated area. Review the bill carefully to ensure all the information is accurate. Click Save. Track payments. Once you've recorded the bill, you can easily track payments in Xero. Go to the Accounts Payable tab and select the bill you want to pay. Click on Make Payment. Select the payment method you used, such as bank transfer, credit card, or cash. Enter the payment date. Enter the amount paid. Click Save. Reconcile your accounts. Regularly reconciling your accounts is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Go to the Bank Reconciliation tab in Xero. Match bank transactions with the corresponding bills you've entered in Xero. Review and approve the reconciliation. Tips for efficient bill entry in Xero. Use the Bill Templates feature to save time when entering recurring bills. Set up automatic bank feeds to import bank transactions directly into Xero. Use the Rules feature to automatically code and allocate expenses. Stay organized by keeping all your invoices in a designated folder. Regularly review and reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy. Troubleshooting common issue. I can't find the supplier I'm looking for. Double-check the spelling of the supplier's name. Try searching for the supplier by their company number or other identifying information. I'm not sure which account to code an expense to. Consult your chart of accounts or contact your accountant for guidance. I'm having trouble reconciling my accounts. Review your bank statements carefully and ensure all transactions are accurately recorded in Xero. Beyond the basics, advanced bill entry features, tracking GST/VAT. Xero can automatically calculate and track GST/VAT, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Foreign currency transactions. Xero can handle transactions in multiple currencies, making it easy to manage international expenses. Expense claims. Xero can be used to track employee expenses, making it easier to reimburse employees for business-related costs. By following these steps and utilizing the advanced features of Xero, you can streamline your bill entry process and gain valuable insights into your business finances. Remember, accurate and timely bill entry is essential for maintaining a healthy cash flow and making informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.